Our UAVs have a FLIR camera on it. It's a forward-looking infrared camera. So with the fresh snow and the snowfall that we've had, when you make footprints in the snow, it leaves a heat signature in the snow for a little bit of time, and we can track those footprints based on how fresh they are. We found him hiding underneath a downed log. The advantages are, I mean, you always have Trooper 8 or Trooper 9, the state helicopter or state plane, that can always come and assist you, but the drone is almost an immediate asset. Anything that's evidentiary that we keep and save as evidence and give to the originating agency, but anything that isn't used is automatically deleted right after the call is ended. Now that agencies realize the success that we've had with the drone program, we're requested a lot more to assist